wrapped around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water.
Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is officially announced on January 14, 2021. The smartphone is packed with 12GB and 16GB RAM with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB internal storage options. The device is built with a glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, a glass back, Gorilla Glass, and an aluminum frame. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery plus fast charging 25 watts plus USB power delivery 3.0 plus fast Qi/PMA wireless charging 15 watts plus reverse wireless charging 4.5 watts. The smartphone features a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2X display that has a 1440 by 3200 pixels resolution. The device comes in Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, Phantom Titanium, Phantom Navy, and Brown.
At the end, can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I can't pretend.
The smartphone consists of a quad camera, 108MP, wide, plus 10MP, periscope telephoto, plus 10MP, telephoto, plus 12MP, ultrawide, while on the front there is a 40MP, wide. The sensors include fingerprint, under display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. The smartphone runs on Android 11 plus One UI 3.1 operating system. I think is the best device in 2021. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is the headliner of the S21 series. It's the first S-series phone to support Samsung's S Pen. Specifications are top-notch including Snapdragon 888 chipset, 5G capability, up to 16 gigs of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of storage. A 5000 mAh battery keeps the lights on for this powerhouse. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra starting price is $1,200. This device runs Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.1 top layer. And I like it a lot. I can now default to Google Pay or Google Discover News feed, instead of Samsung's versions. The look for everything from settings to pop-up windows is clean and contemporary. And with a phone this big, One UI helps make it easier to use one-handed.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control?
If you want the absolute best specs and features, the S21 Ultra will undoubtedly seem appealing. The S21 Ultra will likely catch the eye of Galaxy Note users looking for a different option. Overall, the S21 Ultra is a major update both in terms of hardware and software features over the S20 Ultra. And when you factor in a lower price, it all kind of makes sense. If you buy this device, please check and go to the Samsung website. I think this device is better for camera and battery, so you choose what you like most. I suggest you, if you like camera, then you must go with this device, because Samsung display is much better than other brand device. Okay, is up to you. OnePlus 9R is officially announced on March 23, 2021. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm SM8250AC Snapdragon 875G octa-core, and it comes with 6.55 inches Fluid AMOLED. The resolution of the screen is 1080 by 2400 pixels. The screen of the smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass version 5. The device is packed with 8GB and 12GB RAM, while the internal storage is 128GB and 256GB. OnePlus 9R is fueled with a non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery plus fast charging 65 watts, 1 to 100% in 39 minutes, advertised. The smartphone features a quad camera, 48MP, wide, plus 16MP, ultra-wide, plus 2MP, depth, plus 2MP, macro, while on the front, there is a 16MP, wide, sensor. Moreover, it features mobile hotspot, NFC, a GPS with GLONASS, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi, and the latest version 5.1 Bluetooth.
Around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. Darkness always clouds my mind. When I look behind, it's moving closer every time. I can't pretend that I have a strong defense.
The smartphone derives its operating energy from a 4,500 mAh lead polymer battery that is designed to be compatible with 33 watts fast charging technology and is also non-replaceable by nature. So you can play your game more than 5 to 6 hours non-stop. Game lover, listen to me, this device is best for your. OnePlus offers you the dependability of a premium brand. OnePlus 9R is good at everything. It is built with a glass front, Gorilla Glass 5, a glass back, Gorilla Glass 5, and an aluminum frame. It supports dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. The sensors include fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Overall, this device is one of the great tech for a game. If you like gaming, you can must buy this device. Okay, thank you for watching this video.